seaters are there. So everyone's going to bolt down to here, explode into this gate together.
Is there a reset rule on that?
Yeah, we've talked about it. It's at the race director's discretion. Obviously, if 3 pilots smash out before the first corner, I think we're going to restart the race. It'll just be based on.
It's going to be the gate of love. Quads come
Yeah,
together.
we know that. We just pointed out. And the other thing is today we're running practice laps. They'll be testing the timing system all day. The idea of today is for you to get practice and also for everyone else to get practice at doing the stuff before running the races. So timing systems. If the wind comes up and suddenly all the gates are like this, we'll be putting some stays in and stuff like that. So it's just all as we need to. So we'll go for a wander. So.
Hang on, gotta make the noise.
Beep! It worked.
Beep! Yeah, it's great.
Mine was louder.
Oh, sorry.
I don't want to ask what the transponder was.
Oh, really? Track might get through here. It's really difficult.
That's this one sweet over here.
You're going to be running. Okay.
Top first.
Top first?
No, it's under first.
It's got to be top first, sure.
No, it isn't. It's under first.
Oh, that's going to suck.
To know that you have to go underneath. If
Oh, dear.
anyone goes through the top, you're risking a head-on with someone else going through the top. And if it's your fault, then they get the right to punch you in the face. So underneath is okay.
Yeah, we're going to have to drop down.
Jesus. So under and then over. You have to go around the flags.
Under that. No, you got to climb up and over. Who's up? Who's up?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, man. It's like a fucking roller coaster.
Dive down here with 3 gates waiting for you in the corner.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Badly?
This is the bit I don't like.
Yeah.
The bit I hate.
Yeah, this is going to be tough.
But I feel we give you right tactics, but why do you?
Yeah, you're going to have to
go
swing
wide.
out. Yeah.
You gotta go wide.
Hang on, didn't work. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Look, if you. Oh, that one's slightly off though.
Can you get straight?
Nah. Nah, man. But
You
definitely,
still have a turn in the middle.
definitely swing out.
I think it's good. I'm glad I didn't go with 2600 kbs.
Yeah?
I'm happy with hard. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, are we going through? You're going to
Is it not the top?
I think it's going to
Yeah, but
Mark,
Yeah.
can you please clarify which part of this top section?
The rings.
Between the rings.
Between the rings, yep. And then you must go around this flag, come around through here. Around. So you have to go around this one. You can drop down here, but you must go around that one.
you go through the middle bit and then you drop down and around through here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Around through here. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Pirouette.
That's going to be fun.
Yeah.
That's soft to ground.
Look how fucking that is going to destroy quads.
Yes. So pirouette down through here.
Yeah, and then through
Full
there.
lock down through. It's like knitting with a quadruped.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
KC, did you get the memo? You were about to
Smoking cigarettes.
That way. Set up, pass that flag. It's going to be do that.
That's one thing. You just find the spot where all the bits are, the flat out section.
interesting, Damon. What are your thoughts?
I don't like cameras.
What are you talking about, man? You got a face for TV.
Chicane's alright. Huh? Series of chicanes. It's a little bit soft. Right. The most forgiving thing is the ground, okay? Well, it feels like a national event. Sort of track. It's twice as big as what you make, so you usually make them like a little tiny bowl. And you just sort of figure it out.
Oh, Mac is telling him about the flag he doesn't like.
Oh, just follow it up. Yeah. So around these guys.
And we all get excited before races, you know.
Sacramento summer. Professional pilot, not professional like running.
Like you were last week,
Oh, I just have to get markers and mutter nice sweet nothings in my ear and I'll be fine.
you made a massive difference. Did you check your time?
Back to the start.